Am I too close to the camera? Is it on? Am I too close?
Yeah, it's on.
Hello! My name is Leha Kiskabosh, and I'm here today to introduce my friend. Jose!
Yes, home.
Hello!
My name is Jose. Oh, that's my favorite song, the Mariachi Band. Oh, I love it.
Betty! Casita Bag!
Oh, home, I'm very sad.
Why?
Because I broke up with my girlfriend and she was a Reebok.
I'm very sad for you too.
Yeah.
It looks like your name should be Scribble because the kid did it on W.
You should be mad at your drawer because he sucks.
That didn't even make any sense. Hey, your joke is so corny. I know what you had for breakfast. Cornflakes. How do you like that? I make the funny.
Whatever. Hey, home, I'm so sad. I wish I had some music to cheer me up.
Cuties. I get the perfect music for you.
It's peanut butter jelly time.
My
Peanut
God.
butter jelly
Michael.
time. Peanut butter jelly time.
Hey, home. Hey, home.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
Peanut
Peanut butter
butter
jelly.
jelly.
Peanut butter jelly. Peanut
Okay,
butter
stop the music. I'm
jelly.
getting bored with that.
Hey, you know what I haven't had in a long time?
What? Why?
I haven't had roach milk.
Roach milk?
Roach milk.
I can't be serious.
You take the roach really tiny, and you squeeze it through the roach nipple. And you get the roach milk. How do you think about roach milk? Roach! You lost me! You lost me!
I never had roach milk, home. That sounds funny. You know, I can have roach milk cereal. I have Avalon roach milk in my cardboard box. Hey, home. Hey, home. You remember my cat Ishkabash?
Yes, I really. Where'd it
Well,
go?
I kind of sold him to a Haitian restaurant. And I was hungry, so I ate them.
I'm over to satisfy them.
Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm tired of that.
Okay, tell me that.
He tasted like chicken, except with fur, with Asian spices.
Hey, can I? You're very funny, very, very funny.
Thank you,
Hey.
Ishkabash Kibesh.
Go to the camera.
Go.
Get your cross up. It's okay, go sit.
Hey, Mr. Camera, how you doing?
How do you think?
I think we should sing my favorite Mexican song.
I sing it.
Yes, ma'am! You got that!